In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can show or hide handwriting on the calendar on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, swipe up to go into the apps screen. In here, open up the calendar app. Then tap on the menu key at the top left. In here, tap on show handwriting. So in the month section, tap on show handwriting to show or hide it. So here I deselect show handwriting, so it's hiding my handwriting. It's still there. If I want to bring it back, I just need to tap on show handwriting, and that will bring back handwritings on my calendar. Now if you don't know how to do handwriting on calendar, you can use the S Pen. So with an S Pen, you can tap on edit button. In here, you can do some writing on the calendar. So you can draw, you can do whatever you want. You can edit using a pen. You can choose a different pen type. You can change the size of your pen. You can choose the colors of the pen. And you can choose a type of pen, such as highlighter, calligraphy, and pen or pencil, and so on. So this is a pencil, and you can choose a different color pencil as well. You can also use the eraser button to erase certain things on your calendar. And you can also select objects on your calendar. You can make it bigger or smaller. That's up to you. But that's it. So that is how you can show or hide handwriting on your calendar on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.